So I have this Ryobi Garage Opener, and I like to install the laser parking assist right there. But when I installed it, well, see, the laser isn't falling on what I really wanted to fall on my dashboard. So what I like to do with this is probably take it up, take it out like that, and maybe put it somewhere, I don't know. And the second option is actually putting a mirror over somewhere there and bounce it back to my dashboard. Well, sort of don't like that idea. So what I'm gonna do is just make the wire a little longer, take it out of the box here and put it a little bit farther, probably like that. So here's the laser parking assist module, and at the back you see that there's this connector here. So we're going to be taking it all apart using a hex key here. So when this is taken all apart, and this is what you see inside. Okay, so take this connector out. So just pull it out like that. And now it will be separated, the connector and the whole thing. So there's that other connector. So now the module is open, and you can take out the wires with the two connectors at each end, and this is what it looks like. That's what it is. Which this goes there, and this is actually on that port over there. And so what I did is actually just make the all wires longer, like this one. There you go. So basically you just cut the wire in the middle, and once you cut the wire in the middle, so you can get a little longer wire, just about 10 inches or so, and put it right there in the middle. So basically what I do is I cut each one of the wires and do it and complete it one by one, so I don't have to remember which wire is which, you know, that connects from here to the other connector. So basically here's the modified wire module for the assisted for the laser parking. So I have soldered each one of those wires, okay, and after soldering it, well, I just have to shrink tape it. So once it's all done, this one here, as you can see, now it's longer. You can put it all back together again. No, stop. The other way around. There we go. so let's connect it and see if it's working. So now it's all connected, and temporarily I just wanna put it right there for now. Okay. Let's see if that works. No, it doesn't. Let's see if it's there. Okay, so next step is to put it a little bit farther away.